Hi, I'm Stephanie and welcome to another Take and Make Kit tutorial. This month we will be making decorative yarn balls right in time for the holidays. Your kit will contain one foam paintbrush, some balloons, some glue, and enough yarn to make 3 decorative yarn balls. You'll need about a teaspoon of cornstarch, some water, paper or drop cloth, a needle, and a pencil or pen. Let's get started. First, I'm going to make a mixture of the glue and a small amount of water. You don't want it to be too watery, and the cornstarch. Next, inflate a balloon and then wrap it with your yarn. Now apply the glue mixture with your sponge paintbrush. Let the balloon dry completely overnight. I hung mine up in the basement with a tarp underneath. Using a pen or pencil, gently loosen the balloon from the yarn. Finally, pop the balloon and carefully remove it. If your yarn ball deflates, insert another balloon and reshape it by inflating the balloon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on making a decorative yarn ball.